Effective immediately, 324 unique makes and variants of what the government calls assault-style firearms are now prohibited. All newly banned models have semi-automatic action and sustained rapid-fire capability. And government officials confirmed Thursday these guns can no longer be legally used or sold in this country.
Our goal is to ensure that no community, no family is devastated by mass shootings in Canada again.
These firearms join the list of more than 1,500 types of firearms Prime Minister Justin Trudeau banned the sale and use of in 2020, in the aftermath of the Nova Scotia mass shooting. As was the case 4 years ago, the government is offering owners and retailers of these newly outlawed guns amnesty until October 2025, while officials finalize a national buyback program. The move is being heralded by the gun control group founded by survivors of the 1989 Montreal massacre.
It's an important step forward, and I really believe that what remains to be done will be done.
The Liberals have been facing pressure to ban additional firearms that came on the market after 2020 and that weren't covered in the Liberals' major gun control bill passed a year ago. Today's move went over less well, though, with gun rights groups.
This is not a crime measure at all. This is strictly trying to appease voters in urban Canada.
It remains to be seen exactly how many firearms will be turned over in time. But once they are, the government says they have a plan to get them out of the country and potentially onto the front lines of the Russia-Ukraine war.
We've been working very closely with our friends in Ukraine to ensure that weapons that were intended to be used in combat could be made available to them.
Beyond the ban, the Liberals are promising to table additional measures in Parliament to address the rates of gun violence in intimate partner situations. But that won't come until next year. Omar?
All right, Rachel.